Da-da-da-da-da.
I did not hear any other people.
No.
Maybe one.
Under the chair.
Under the chair.
Under the chair.
Under the chair.
Under the chair. Yep. There he is. I missed the trek across, but he carried pretty much everything as per usual. How did he know I was here? Those would be sumacs, I think. They kind of have that nifty palm tree look to them. Gorgeous day in the neighborhood.
Beautiful. Just saw Kim. She's good.
Yay!
Really good.
Right on. So we got to have a visit with Jeremy. Oh look, twinsies!
This is what I'm suggesting. They get a minivan so they can fit all the kids in.
Yeah.
Rent 2 cars. Sherman gets a Honda 400, a motorbike. And then she has all her cleaning stuff in a knapsack and just ride around.
Just goes for it.
Yes. All right.
We came to Aunt Dorothy's just to have a bit of a visit and so that we could see Jeremy. Yay!
Like a hurricane came.
And yeah, see these branches? Like all up the sidewalk and all over the yard and all over the driveway because we had a little bit of a hurricane or something come through while we were here, and a branch came down on the tree across the way there. Yeah. See that? There's where the branch came down. And it also knocked the basketball net over, but we were on this side, so everything was good. So the sun is now shining. The world is looking beautiful. You would have no idea that anything happened except for all of the stuff everywhere. Oh, praise the Lord for His safekeeping. Yay, God. There we go. So this is us trying to leave after the storm. We'll take our turn. Oops.
I think he's doing the same thing.
He's gonna have to wait for that one to get through. I wonder if that's so we can hear fire engines in the distance. Our theory is that it's this kind of a thing because although we hear the sirens, they're not being desperate about it. There's another part of a tree all gone.
Wow, wow.
There's another part of a tree.
Sucky dude.
Praise the Lord that one, we were inside, and two, like our vehicle and we were safe from this happening. So we'll call this after the storm. It's up there. Traffic lights that are not working. And it's like that all over the city. And the cell service is out too. Oh, it's the apocalypse! No, it's just... What do you think it was? Like a hurricane? They had tornado warnings. We're still not sure. It was wild, that's what it was.